Why can winter driving be so dangerous? Did you know that 70% of the roads, and 70% of the population, in the United States are in regions that can have snowy conditions? Winter-related dangers on the road are many, and they can affect your driving significantly. Getting your car ready for winter, brushing up on your defensive driving techniques, and being more attentive on the road can lower your risk of an accident. The primary danger of winter roads is how slippery they get with snow and ice. Snowy and icy pavement are respectively responsible for 13% and 16% of all weather-related crashes in the United States. But what makes these conditions so dangerous is that your car needs a longer distance to brake safely, even with winter tires. Snow, ice, and black ice that is invisible on the pavement, are some of the most hazardous driving conditions. Make sure you have good winter tires to help with traction on winter pavement and review how to drive on icy roads. Snowy conditions reduce visibility. Another reason why winter driving is so dangerous is that snowy conditions greatly reduce visibility on the road. Snowy conditions are responsible for 18% of all weather-related crashes in the United States. On average, there are 219,942 crashes, 54,839 people injured, and 688 people killed every year because of snow or sleet conditions. When faced with reduced visibility from sleet or snow, it helps to slow down, leave more space between cars, and brake earlier and more gradually. Winter affects tires in many ways, making them less effective than in the summer. Low temperatures can reduce the pressure in your tires, affecting your ability to brake or turn without slipping. Worn tire treads are also dangerous in winter because it reduces your tire's traction. Make sure your tires still have enough tread visible to handle the traction needed for winter driving. Road salt can affect your car. Winter conditions can affect your car in a number of ways. Over time, this can lead to dangerous conditions, especially if your car starts to fall apart while you're driving. Even if you are well versed in defensive driving, other inexperienced drivers on the road can be a danger.